Have you ever been stuck staring at a blank computer screen trying to come up with new video ideas and topics? In this video, I'll give you 10 ways to easily come up with YouTube video ideas and topics so you can get more views and grow your channel fast. One of the best ways to choose a topic is to look at the top 10 videos that are getting the most traffic on your YouTube channel. Just click on Analytics in YouTube Studio and look at the top 10 videos that got the most traffic in the last 28 days. Make a similar video on the same topic, but create a different title. You can also view the popular keyword phrases that people are entering into the search engines for one of your popular videos. Click on the Reach tab in YouTube Analytics for one of your top videos, then look at the keyword phrases under YouTube Search. You'll also find specific keyword phrases under suggested videos. Make a similar video using one of those keyword phrases in your title. Make sure you link to your popular video in the end screen of the video that you're creating so people will watch more than one video. Another way to choose the right topic for your video is to survey your audience. If you have an email list, survey your list. If you have a Facebook group, you can poll your group. For example, I have a Facebook group called Tube Video Bootcamp that consists of over 1,000 members. I often ask questions or poll the group to see what viewers are interested in. Click the link in the description to join my Facebook group, Tube Video Bootcamp. Let me ask you a question. How do you usually come up with new ideas and topics for your YouTube videos? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you have access to the Community tab, you can poll your audience. Recently, YouTube changed the eligibility requirements for community posts from 1,000 subscribers to only 500 subscribers, so make use of this feature. Usually I'll post a poll once a week to see what topics my viewers are interested in. After viewing the results, I'll know what video topic will most interest my viewers. Another way to come up with video topics is to read the comments. Look for recurring questions asked by your subscribers, then answer them in a video. If you can't find questions in your own comments or in your competitors' videos comments, then pin a question to the top of your comment. You can also ask a question while viewers are watching your video and tell them to post the answer in the comments. You can also read the comments on your competitors' videos and look for questions that viewers want the answers for. Another way to choose the right topic for your video is to do keyword research. My secret weapon for doing keyword research is to use the keyword research tool TubeBuddy. I'll simply enter a main keyword phrase into Keyword Explorer of TubeBuddy and look at the related searches. Ideally, you want to target a search term that has a high search volume and low competition. So if I enter YouTube search into Keyword Explorer, one of the suggestions is YouTube search not working. So if I click on that, the keyword score is 79 out of 100, which is very good. This means the keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. Under score analysis, the search volume is good, the competition is very good, the optimization strength is excellent, and the number of videos and search results is 58.2 million. I'll check out the competition later to see if the search phrase is worth targeting. I've also got other related searches here on the right. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. If you use the promo code HermansBuddy, you'll get 20% off. If I click on results, I can check out the competition. The keyword phrases that are highlighted in yellow means that other creators are targeting that particular keyword phrase. So I'll have to get creative with my titles. Another way to choose a topic for your videos is to look at trending topics in Google Trends. You simply go to Google Trends and enter your main keyword phrase. For example, if I enter YouTube search into Google Trends, then look under web search and then related queries, I'll get a bunch of suggestions. For example, under related queries, I get YouTube search not working, so I can target that particular keyword phrase. If I click on it, I can see that it's trending. If I click the drop down next to web search and choose YouTube search, then I can also see the interest over time. So that's probably a good topic that I can go for my next video. Another great tool for coming up with content ideas and topics is Answer the Public. It cranks out the frequently asked questions that people are entering into the search engines. Did you know that there are 3 billion searches performed on Google every day, and 20% of those searches have never been seen before? Answer the Public is like getting a direct line to your customers' thoughts. Another way to come up with YouTube video ideas and topics is to take a break. Recently, I took a few days off to go to the beach and enjoy the sun and the surf. When you try to force yourself to be creative, it's very difficult to come up with new video ideas, so it's better to take a break and do something different. When I'm at home, I usually go for a bike ride or a run that clears my mind and stimulates new ideas for my videos. Ali Novak says, "True, forced creativity is no good. I usually get ideas at the gym or doing something else like making dinner." Now you know 10 ways to easily come up with new video ideas and topics so you can get more views. But how can you rank for highly competitive keywords when you're a small channel? Watch this video to discover the secret to ranking your YouTube videos for popular searches.